All right, so have you seen this AI apps empire thing? It's making some pretty big claims.
Oh, yeah, I've seen it floating around.
Yeah, so they're saying it can build you a whole AI app in like a minute
And
and
rent it. Wow.
yeah. And like it can be about anything and they have all these templates, over 200 they say, and
It sounds almost too good to be true, right?
yeah, it does. But imagine if it's even halfway true.
That would be a game changer, wouldn't it? Especially for people who don't know how to code
Right, like anyone could just jump in, start making these apps and
and potentially making money too, right? They're talking about
mm,
selling these for hundreds or even thousands of
yeah,
dollars.
or setting up subscriptions like a whole SaaS business.
SaaS, software as a service, for anyone listening who's not familiar with that term.
Exactly. And they're saying you could be making six figures passively with this.
That's a pretty bold claim.
It is, but think about it. The demand for AI stuff is just exploding right now.
Absolutely. Businesses are scrambling to incorporate AI into everything.
So if you could just offer them these ready-made solutions using this AI apps empire thing, I mean,
I can see how it could be appealing.
right. Especially since they're saying you don't need any experience, no tech skills or anything.
And no monthly fees, at least not initially.
Yeah. They're saying it's a one-time payment right now, something like 17 bucks, instead of the usual 97 towers a month.
Hmm. Well, that's certainly an attention-grabbing price point.
Right. So let's break down how they say this whole thing works. Step one, you log in and boom, you've got over 250 ready-made AI apps to choose from.
250. That's quite a library.
Yeah. They say they cover everything from social media marketing to e-commerce to you name it.
I'd be curious to know how customizable these templates are.
Yeah, that's step two. They say you can easily add your own branding, logo, colors, the whole look and feel.
White labeling, essentially.
Exactly. So you can basically present these apps as your own.
That's a crucial aspect for anyone looking to build a brand or agency.
Right. And then step three, they say, is just launch and profit. You can sell these apps individually, set up subscriptions, the whole nine yards.
And they're suggesting price points from a few hundred to over $2,000 per app.
Yeah. And they're really pushing the idea of creating a whole SaaS empire, selling subscriptions, making passive income.
It's certainly a compelling vision, especially with the AI gold rush they're talking about.
Right. Like everyone's trying to get in on this AI action and they're saying this is the easiest way to do it.
I mean, if it works as advertised, it could be huge.
Right. And they're sharing all these stories, people who've supposedly made a killing with this, like Dawson Botsford, he made $1 million app in 5 hours, they say.
5 hours, that's incredible.
Yeah. And there's David Bressler, who quit his job and built $1 million AI app from scratch. And another guy making 37 grand a month with a Notion-based micro SaaS.
Those are some impressive numbers.
Yeah. And Brett Malinowski, he didn't know any coding. And they're saying he's making 50 grand a month with AI SaaS. And Fernando Pisano, just a regular guy, now making 15 grand a month with 2 AI apps.
Well, it certainly paints a pretty picture.
It does, right. And they're even showing how much freelancers are charging for these kinds of things and basically saying you could undercut them or offer more and make even more money.
So they're really hitting on that fear of missing out, that FOMO.
Oh, yeah, big time.
Yeah.
So what they're saying makes this AI apps empire so special, they're calling it a no-code AI game changer.
Which is a mouthful, but I guess it gets the point across.
Yeah. They're basically saying you can create any kind of AI app you want instantly with no coding, and businesses will pay top dollar for it.
And that's a key point, right? If there's no demand, then the easiest app builder in the world won't help.
Exactly. But they're saying the demand is already there, and this is just the tool to capitalize on it.
And they're not just talking about single apps, right? They're talking about building whole SaaS businesses.
Yeah, they're saying you can create a fully branded SaaS empire with recurring revenue and scale it up like crazy.
But building a successful SaaS business involves a lot more than just the software itself, right?
Right, there's marketing, customer support, all that stuff.
So it would be good to know how much support they offer in those areas.
Yeah, good point. They do mention 24/7 VIP support as part of the deal.
Okay, that's something.
And they're saying you can build apps for any niche you can think of with all these templates.
It does sound pretty versatile.
Yeah, over 250 templates, remember. They
Yeah.
say you can launch and start making money in minutes.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah. And they're also pushing the idea of starting your own AI agency.
So not just selling apps directly, but offering AI services to businesses.
Exactly. And they're saying you can embed these apps anywhere online with just a line of code.
That opens up a lot of possibilities.
Right. Websites, blogs, even those sales funnels everyone's always talking about.
And they're even suggesting specific types of clients you could target.
Oh, yeah. Coaches, consultants, marketing agencies, e-commerce stores, the list goes on and on.
So they're really painting a picture of a wide open market.
Yeah, and they're laying it out pretty clearly. You can either be on the winning side, using this AI apps empire to launch apps quickly, sell them for big bucks, and build a whole empire, or
Or you can be on the losing side, struggling with traditional development, missing out on this AI boom, and getting left behind.
right, so it's like they're saying, hey, the choice is yours, but we think the answer is pretty obvious.
I mean, it's a classic marketing tactic, but it's effective.
It is. And to sweeten the deal even more, they're throwing in all these bonuses worth almost 6 grand, they say.
6 grand. Wow.
Yeah. Live training on AI agents, strategies for selling and managing an agency, all kind of stuff.
That's a pretty significant package.
It is. And they're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, too, so you can try it out risk-free.
That's always a good sign.
Yeah, it shows they're confident in their product. So just to recap everything you get, you can create and launch apps in minutes, no tech skills needed. You can make these AI agents that look and sound like you or anyone else. You can train them in multiple languages.
Multiple languages, that's impressive.
Yeah, they can work 24/7. You can embed them anywhere. They can help you boost engagement and sales. You can offer customer support around the clock.
Wow. It sounds like they can do it all.
Right. You can start your own AI agency, sell these custom agents for high prices, brand them however you want, use their pre-made templates, train the AI with different kinds of documents.
They mentioned PDFs and websites, right?
Yeah, you can even make video, audio, and chat agents, customize their appearance, collect unlimited leads, no monthly fees, no hiring costs, free hosting, commercial license, the whole shebang.
That's quite a list.
It is. And they're really hammering home that this is a limited time offer, that the price is going up soon.
Creating that sense of urgency,
Yeah.
classic.
Yeah. And they do have an optional upgrade for faster servers, more AI prompts, reseller tools, all that jazz.
So they've got you covered at every level.
Exactly. Now, I know you might have some questions, so let's run through a few quick ones. It's all web-based, no downloads needed. They do offer refunds if you're not happy. They say they're compliant with all the rules.
What about lifetime access? What does that really mean?
They're saying it's about 5 years of active support. The basic plan comes with 10,000 credits, and you can buy more if you need them.
Okay, makes sense.
No monthly fees right now. During this launch period, they provide training and support. It works on any device. Your data is safe.
That's good to know.
And these AI agents, they're basically like virtual assistants that you train with your own knowledge.
So you can customize them for different tasks.
Yeah, like marketing, customer service, whatever you need. They can speak multiple languages, 5 in the basic plan, over 50 in the pro version.
That's pretty powerful.
Yeah. They have different voices too. You can even clone your own voice if you want. They use natural language processing and generative AI, all the fancy stuff. And for training, you can use PDFs and website URLs, although there are some limits on how much you can upload.
I guess that's to prevent abuse or something.
Probably. And you can always update the AI's knowledge as you go. Oh, and the basic plan lets you choose from 5 languages for the avatar, the visual representation of the AI agent.
Okay, cool.
So there you have it. This AI apps empire, it's a lot to take in, right?
It is. A lot of promises, a lot of potential, and a lot to think about.
Definitely. But the big question is, does it live up to the hype?
That's what everyone wants to know.
Exactly. And that's what we're going to be exploring further in our next deep dive. We're going to get hands-on with this platform, put it through its paces, and see if it really can deliver on everything it claims.
I'm curious to see what we find.
Me too. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this AI apps empire thing. Have you tried it? Are you interested in trying it? What are your thoughts on the whole AI gold rush? Let's discuss.
It's a conversation worth having. The way AI is developing, it's impacting all of us, and the more we understand these tools, the better equipped we'll be to navigate this new landscape.
Absolutely. All right, that's it for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.
And remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. See you soon.